बड़ी स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस, चैप्टर है 2 व्हाट इज़ अराउंड अस। हमारे आसपास जो है क्या क्या है उसके बारे में चैप्टर है। ये आपको पहले मैंने एक्सप्लेन करवा दिया है, ये रिवीजन चैप्टर है आपका। दिस environment man had tried to go thousands of kilometers to know about the elements of nature. He has collected information about the earth by going deep into space. But he has gone hardly 10 kilometers into the earth. After a lot of efforts, he has been able to get only the following information. There are three spheres of the earth, is troposphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Owing to their combined effect, the fourth one also has been developed, that is biosphere, according to the information collected by man out of the 9 planets of the solar system. Life is possible only on the earth. No trace of light is found on the other planets, but his personal motives man has not resisted himself to acquire more and more infrastructure. As a result, there have been holes in these coverings. Man has harmed nature a lot. That have been adverse efforts on coverings. Because of human activities, this unit present in serious problem of pollution. अभी इसका जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है, what would happen if there were no seas? तो इसका आंसर आएगा सीज आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रिक्वायर्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. मीन्स जो समुद्र होते हैं वो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, यूजफुल है. वो देखो, हम ऑर्गेनिज्म रिक्वायर्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर टू लिव. पानी जो हम ड्रिंकिंग वाटर जो पानी पीते हैं, द बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ द वाटर इज सीज. वो सब बेसिक सोर्स अपने को कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? सीज करता है. प्रेशियस केमिकल मिनरल सॉल्ट एंड फिश आर फाउंड फ्रॉम सीज. देखो, हमको सीज में समुद्र में से क्या क्या मिलता है? प्रेशियस केमिकल्स हैं, मिनरल्स हैं, सॉल्ट मीन्स नमक है, एंड फिश आर फाउंड फ्रॉम सीज. A good deal of living creatures live in seas. Owing to great amount of energy from the waves of seas, from the currents of water and from the floods, a lot of electric energy can be availed. Seas are also used for waterways. Seas हमको waterways means ships वगैरह waterways से हम एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री भी जा सकते हैं. Had there not been seas, we would not have got all these advantages. Question number 2 है, on the basis of which experience can you state that the atmosphere exists on the surface of the earth? तो आंसर आएगा, with my following experience I can say that there is atmosphere around the earth. One number, we breathe in oxygen is equal for the entire bio world living entities. Number 2, green vegetation breathes in carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Next, this life is living entities on the earth owes to oxygen and nitrogen. Number 4, the particles in the atmosphere reflect the rays of light, therefore we can have sunlight. Owing to these particles, there is no sudden light on the earth at sunrise, nor is there sudden darkness and sunset. Number 5, owing to the medium of atmosphere, we can hear sound, we can enjoy programs of radio and television because of the atmosphere. अभी next है question number 3, if any element in the living world is destroyed, then what will be its effect in our lives? For instance, what happens if the birds are wiped out from the face of the earth? इसका आंसर आएगा, around us in water, in atmosphere on land, there is bio world. Out of them some living species, that is birds, get extinct. It has major effect on our life. Birds like vulture, crows, etc. work for cleanliness. If they become destroyed, dead animals cannot be abolished. Flying insects like butterflies carry pollen from flowers and other tiny seeds from one place to another. It may not be possible if the birds wipe out from the face of the earth, then we cannot enjoy watching beautiful birds. There would also be a hurdle in the food chain of the living. Next question है locate any using various colors the ocean seas bays and stars in the world map given above. एक मैप दिया है आपको यहाँ पे. देखो बेस ऑफ बंगाल, बेस ऑफ वेस्टर्न स्टेट्स क्या हैं? पाल स्टेट एंड गिब्राल्टर स्टेट, गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ, गल्फ ऑफ खंबात, गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको, गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार एंड गल्फ ऑफ एडन. और ओशियन सीज कौन से हैं? पैसिफिक ओशियन, अटलांटिक ओशियन, ब्लैक सी, येलो सी, कैस्पियन सी, अरेबियन सी, अरल सी, ओक्सका सी, बियरिंग सी, जावा सी, साउदर्न सी, चाइनीज सी, जापानीज सी एंड इंडियन सीज. नेक्स्ट है make a list of natural events and human activities that have adversely affected various sphere of the earth. तो आंसर आएगा natural events affecting adversely various sphere of the earth. तो नंबर 1 आएगा with the eruption of volcano, harmful sulfur dioxide spreads in the atmosphere, the lava erupting from the inner part of the earth, extent fire forest area and the fertility of the soil in the land comes to end. Next and number 2, earthquake transforms the entire surface of the earth. Earthquake in sea causes great havoc in areas on the shores. Example है disaster in Tamil Nadu in 2011. Next, human activities affecting adversely various sphere of the earth. आंसर आएगा the troposphere of the earth is risked by extreme digging for getting minerals, atomic waste on land, deep boring work for mineral oil and a biosphere. Number 2, water bodies get polluted by impurities drain into them and by disposal of industrial waste in them. Marine life gets eliminated by the waste of drained out from ships and by draining dirty chemically polluted water from industrial colonies. Owing to continuous industrial pollutions, the snow on the poles has started melting, which is dangerous for hydrosphere. Next question 3 point है the polluted are expelled from industries, factories, power station and vehicles mixes into the atmosphere owing to more number of vehicles in certain areas. Amount of gases like carbon dioxide increases filling of trees also result into the increase of carbon dioxide in air and the causes terrible heat. अभी नेक्स्ट है find out the source of pollution in your surrounding and study in effects is well in eradicate it. ये आपको इसमें देखो टेबल दिया है, इसमें से कर लेना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. एक्सरसाइज है, ठीक है. Number 1, what do you know about our earth? Write a short note. When the earth got detached from the sun, it was in the form of fireball. Gradually this fireball started cooling down. Some of its elements got transferred either into liquid form or into solid form. The elements which got transferred into solid from the troposphere, those which got transferred into liquid from hydrosphere and these which got transferred into gases from atmosphere, and the world of living is known as biosphere. Next point है thus the earth was created. The atmosphere, temperature, water and air to keep the living organism. Life is only on the earth. No consistent evidence have been found to prove that this kind of suitability for life in there on any other number of the solar family. Next question number 2, how much time was taken by the earth to reach to present from after being detached from the sun wave? तो इसका आंसर आएगा, साइंटिस्ट बिलीव दैट द अर्थ हैज़ कम इनटू एक्सिस्टेंस नियरली the earth was created by the gases and the particles moving around the sun. The middle part of the earth was formed by the heavy objects. The outer surface of the earth was formed is comparatively lighter objects. Thus, the earth detached from the sun started cooling down with the passage of time, and different layers of the earth came into existence. The land part of the earth on which we live today has come into existence after crores of years. नेक्स्ट है आपको, ये आपका क्वेश्चन हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करवाऊंगी, ये आपका इनकम्प्लीट है. थैंक यू.